So we will continue our discussion on the joy of X, a guided to a mathematics from 1 to infinity by Steven Stargatz. Okay, today is called Pi Day. So we will discuss about pi. Okay, why it is, what is pi? Okay. Let us recall what we mean by pi. It is the ratio of the two distances. One of them is the diameter and the distance across the circle to the center. Other is the circumference, the distance on the circle. Pi is defined as the ratio of circumference divided by the diameter. If you are a careful thinker, you might be worried about something already. How do you know that pi is the same number for all circles? Could be different for big circle literally. The answer is no. But the proof is not. It is an intuitive argument. Imagine using a photocopier to reduce the image of a circle by say 50%. Then all distance of the picture, including the circumference and the diameter, would shrink. So you divide the new circumference by the new diameter. 50% change would cancel out, leaving the ratio beginning to unaltered. This ratio is pi. Of course, this does not tell how big is the pi. Simple experiment with strings and dishes are good enough to yield a value near 3. And if you are more meticulous, it is 3 by 3, 1 by 7. But suppose we want to pi exactly, at least approximate to it to any desirable accuracy. What then? This was the problem that confronted the Einstein. By turning to a brilliant solution, we will see that. Okay. So Archimedes used a strategy to approximate pi. He replaced the circle with a polygon with many sides, right side, and kept doubling the number of the sides to get closer to the perfect roundness. But rather than settling for an approximation of uncertain accuracy, he methodically bounded the pi by sandwiching the circle between inscribed and subscribed circles, as shown below for 6, 12, 24 side figures. Then he used the Pythagoras theorem to work out the perimeter of this inner outer polygon, starting with the hexagon, bootstrapping his way up to 12, 24, 48, ultimately 96 sides. The results for the 96 rounds enabled him to prove that pi is in between 3 10 power 7, 10 upon 71 and 3 1 power 7. This is the approximation you could get. Okay, then this has led to, later it was developed, calculus was developed. These methods are used to find pi, and there are many different approaches to compute pi now. Okay, thank you.